Law of Attraction made easy. Ask. The law of attraction is a powerful force that can bring your desires to fruition. By taking the time to visualize and ask for what you desire, you are creating an internal intention for the universe to respond to. The law of attraction states that what we focus on and put our energy towards, we draw into our lives. It is important to be specific and realistic when asking for what you want, and to take the time to really imagine having it. When you believe wholeheartedly in what you are asking for, the universe will start to bring it to you. Visualizing your desires as if they are already in your possession can help you to stay focused and positive. By taking advantage of the law of attraction, you can create the life of your dreams. Believe. The law of attraction states that if we truly desire something, we must first believe that it is within our reach. Believing that we have already received what we desire reinforces the power of manifesting our goals. By committing to the vision of our goals, we open ourselves up to the universe to grant us what we seek. It is a matter of trusting that the universe is working in our favor and that our hard work and dedication will be rewarded. The law of attraction also emphasizes the importance of maintaining a positive outlook and living a life that aligns with our values. When we come from a place of love and gratitude, we are much more likely to be fulfilled with the outcome of our intentions. Receive. The law of attraction can be a powerful tool to help us manifest our goals and desires. While it may sound oversimplified, the concept of asking and believing that you will receive is a powerful one. When we make a conscious effort to ask and believe that we will receive what we ask for, the universe will provide. Part of this process is ensuring that we are open and receptive to the manifestation of our desires. We must be willing to accept what the universe brings and to hold an attitude of gratitude. With this, we can help the law of attraction work to our benefit and manifest what we want with ease. Stay positive and believe in yourself.